In the starless sympathy, we will find our way. Where constellations dance and never away. With every sparkle, a dream takes flight. In this endless bowl, we will find light. Beneath the covers of a night sky, we will let our spirits soar up high. With every twinkle, a story told. In this comic tapestry, we will behold. Among the galaxies that strung too far, we will chart the coast to a distant star. With every shimmer, a hope will fall. In this diverse expanse, we will rewrite the road. Rewrite the world. Rewrite the world. And this silence of the boundless place, we will find our heaven, our space place. With every comment's fleeting grace, and this darling sympathy we will praise. Let's float in the comic sea, where stars whisper secret to you and me. With every constellation story to tell, in this starless sympathy we will draw. In this starless sympathy, we will find our way. Where collision doesn't never away. With collision